The principal Togg T10X was simply conveyed to Turkey's leader. Creation and conveyances of Turkey's all-electric Togg T10X SUV just started off, and the keys to the absolute first model have been given over to President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Turkey has been chipping away at its local EV project for a long while, and keeping in mind that talking with columnists at the handover, President Erdoğan noticed that his office put in the principal request for the T10X back in 2019. We had put in the primary request for Togg, our public and native brand that does right by our country, in 2019. What's more, today, we are getting the main brilliant vehicle. I trust Togg, one of the underlying products of the 100 years of Turkey, might be promising for our country, the president said. Togg has arisen, created and arrived at its ongoing level as an image of our country's innovative advancement, financial turn of events and worldwide eminence. We are inshallah beginning to see Togg on the streets starting today. While Togg is another brand with no demonstrated history, that hasn't prevented local people from advocating the organization. As a matter of fact, Everyday Sabah reports that in excess of 177,400 individuals submitted pre-orders in the initial 21 days of it being accessible. Because of this solid interest, the organization has needed to build its 2023 creation plans from 12,000 units up to 20,000. The principal form of the Togg T10X SUV to arrive because of clients shakes a solitary, back-mounted electric engine that produces 218 horsepower and 258 lb-ft, 350 Nm of force. Clients can then pick between two different sized battery kits that offer together 195 miles, 314 kilometers, and 325 miles, 523 kilometers of reach individually. This model can hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 7.4 seconds.